Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy and mashed potatoes. First, gather your ingredients: potatoes, butter, milk, and pan drippings for the gravy. We'll start by preparing the potatoes for boiling, ensuring they cook evenly for a smooth texture. Then, we'll move on to the gravy, transforming those delicious drippings into a savory sauce. This easy method guarantees a comforting side dish every time. For the mashed potatoes, begin by peeling and cutting about 2 pounds of russet potatoes into 1-inch pieces. Place them in a pot, cover with cold, salted water, and bring to a boil. Cook until they are fork tender, which usually takes around 15 minutes. Drain thoroughly, then return them to the hot pot. Add 1/2 cup of warm milk and 1/4 cup of butter, mashing until smooth and creamy. Season generously with salt and pepper. Now, let's make that delicious gravy. After roasting your meat, carefully skim off any excess fat from about 2 cups of pan drippings, leaving approximately 2 tablespoons in the pan. Place the pan over medium heat and whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for 1 minute to create a roux. Gradually pour in 2 cups of chicken or beef broth, stirring constantly to avoid any lumps. Simmer for about 5 minutes until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency, then season with salt and pepper. With your creamy mashed potatoes and rich gravy ready, it's time to serve. Spoon generous portions onto plates, ensuring everyone gets a taste of this comforting classic. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or chives. This easy method ensures a delicious and satisfying meal every time. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade feast with loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.